Once we've done the lines, now it's time for the markers. So I'll be using this marker, Touchlit, Pro Marker, brush markers are my favorites, so of course of them. First we need to get black and grey in, then we're gonna jump on a color. After watching this video you're gonna be more than happy to buy these markers, I promise you. Right, let's get some shading done. Just look on that smoothness, perfect. So far, real blacks are gonna add in the end when the black is really black, like the eyes, the nose, some bits in here, some bits in there. If I'm gonna add black now and color on top of it, the color will make not the black look black. What I mean is there will be a layer of black underneath, but the color will fade the black a little bit differently. It will be more red black than pure black. So here you can see how the color goes underneath, the black goes on top of the black color, and it's making it looking like more saturated. So let's jump on the color. I always start with something that easy. So I'm gonna jump on the reds first, getting the poppies out of the way, then probably I'm gonna jump on leaves, then maybe these little flowers, or maybe a cat, we'll see how far we are. So I'll be using these Pro markers. And a bunch of these. They might look the same, but they got different shades. As you can see, there are different numbers. So first I'll have the lightest one first and the dark ones last. Why? Because once it's dark you can't go lighter, but when it's light you always can go darker. Remember that. So let's do some color. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, but this part is done, so next we're jumping on these leaves, and I'll do them in light blue. Aquamint, this says. So like I said before, I like to do opposites. When it's red, something needs to be dead cold. So the flowers are kind of like hot, and then we are gonna add this to cool it down, and that's gonna make the flowers stand out a lot more. Right, enough talking, let's start drawing. I will go over the pencils, making blue more blue, but now it makes the flowers even hotter. At the same time it cools down the drawing. So I reckon I'm gonna do these in pink, just because. I think adding them pink is gonna make them stand out a bit more. Plus it's gonna be easier for you to understand that that's a different flower. So we won't need to separate them too much because the color will do the job. And rose pink will be our winner. And let's start, let's crack on. and these colors will be for the cat. Like I said, I always do light tones with markers, and then I'll go darker with pencil. Once I put solid marker base, it gives nice clean effect afterwards. You can scribble with a pencil as much as you want, but you won't see any white in between. What I mean is, you know when you color with pencil and you got white bits running through, and then you press harder the pencil to get all solid one color. That mostly damages the paper, then it doesn't look good. But in this way, once you got one clean coat underneath, you can go mad with pencils afterwards, and you're still gonna have nice clean base. Another thing what I love about these markers is you can go as many times as you want on top of it. It always dries in the same tone. You know, there's markers you can go 10 times over, it's gonna give you different shades and different tones, but that just heals in one tone. Okay, I did a bit more there, but that even helps me. So long story short, let's jump on a cat and get some work done. A lot more details in next time. This is just a base what we needed to get first layer down. I understand it's now traditional, but I still like a lot of realism, and I like make my drawings like real. So hopefully you'll see next time as well, and probably that's gonna be the video when we're gonna finish this drawing finally. All materials I used today, they're all gonna be in link in description. You can find them, buy them, and try them yourself. And like I said in last video, maybe you can send me your version of this drawing where it's 1 cat, 6 flowers, and moon will be there. If you got any questions, any requests, anything what concerns you, let me know, drop in comments or leave me a message. So take care my YouTube friends, take care.